Welcome back to Beginner's channel. In this video, we'll discuss some problems which are given in optional exercise for extensive learning. So, the first problem is prove that cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta plus 1. Okay, if you observe, I said already, these kind of problems can be solved in two ways. That is, you take LHS and derive RHS, or you take RHS, derive LHS, and other way is take LHS separately and RHS separately. Make sure that these two are equal. You do like that. That is the second way. So in this, I take this one and I derive to get this one. Okay. In if you observe these two equations, so here something minus cos theta, here something plus cos theta, here something minus 1, here something plus 1. There is some similarity. So if you want to get 1 here, here symbols are same. So if you want to get 1 here, if so, here this cos theta, I want to divide this equation with cos theta as well as in numerator as well as in denominator. So it doesn't affect this equation. So if you divide cos theta with if you divide cos theta in the numerator and denominator, you will get 1 here and also here. So let us start our problem. First given cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. Okay, which is equal to, what I want to do is I divide this with cos theta. So in numerator and denominator, that is cot theta divided minus cos theta divided by cos theta in numerator as well as in denominator, that is cot theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta. Okay, here if you cancel cos theta and cos theta, you will get this equation only. Okay, if you break this one, what you will get? Cot theta by cos theta. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Okay, here I am writing cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So if you want to bring this cot theta to this side, that is cot theta by cos theta is equal to what you will get? 1 by sin theta. Yes. Okay, here 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by cos theta is 1 divided by here also cot theta by cos theta, that is 1 by sin theta, that is equal to 1 by sin theta. Here cos theta by cos theta is 1, that is plus 1. Okay, if you observe 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. Okay, so this is cosec theta minus 1 divided by cosec theta plus 1. This is the answer. So we have taken this and we derived to get this RHS. We'll see next question. Okay, the next problem is prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. And they have given one hint, like use this identity. What is this? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So that is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is the question. Let us do answer. Solution is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. This is equal to, if you observe here sec theta and tan theta is there, here sin theta cos theta is there. So I want to divide this equation with sin or cos to convert them into sec and tan. So if I divide this equation with sin on numerator and denominator, what will get? Here sin theta by sin theta will cancel and you will get 1. Here cos theta and sin theta, this will be cos theta by sin theta is what? Cot theta, plus here 1 by sin theta, that is cosec theta. So if you divide this equation with sin theta, you will get what? In terms of cot theta and cosec theta. So I want here sec theta and tan theta. So that's why I'll divide this equation with cos theta. So here sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta. Here, if you cancel cos theta, you will get this equation only. So there is no change in the question, in the equation given in the question. Okay. Here, if you observe, sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. It is equal to tan theta. Here cos theta by cos theta is what? 1. So minus 1. Here 1 by cos theta is what? 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So plus sec theta. This you get. And divided by here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta is 1 minus 1 by cos theta is sec theta. This you got. Okay. Here if you rearrange this like tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. What I write is, I write tan theta and sec theta at one place. That's it. Okay. Here what you got, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. So here you can replace this 1 with the known identity, that is x square theta minus tan square theta. So if you write here tan theta plus sec theta is as this. Okay. Minus here 1 is there. That 1 I replace with this equation, that is this identity sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by this denominator I will keep as it is. So 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. If you observe, this identity will be represented as a square minus b square. So it can be break in terms of a plus b into a minus b. So I will break here tan theta plus sec theta minus here what is a plus b? Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, break here. This denominator as this 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, if in these two terms tan theta plus sec theta, here also sec theta plus tan theta, that is tan theta plus sec theta. So we can take common in these two terms. So what you will get common is tan theta plus sec theta. If you take it common, here nothing is there. That means 1. So 1 minus, here what you have? You have sec theta minus tan theta. Here minus symbol is there. So if you multiply this minus, what you will get? Sec theta minus tan theta become as tan theta minus sec theta. That is tan theta plus tan theta minus sec theta. I hope you understand. Here 1 minus sec theta. So here minus sec theta. Here minus into minus plus tan theta divided by what? Denominator as is, that is 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. If you observe, these two terms are similar. These are in multiplication and division like that. So we can cancel these two terms, 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. Here also 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. So what you're remaining with? You're remaining with tan theta plus sec theta. So this entire equation we converted as tan theta plus sec theta. But we need to show 1 by sec theta minus tan theta, not tan theta plus sec theta. So we need to do further modification for this equation. If you observe, we have done one problem, that is cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to p. Then what is cosec theta plus cos theta? That is equal to 1 by p. How we got that? Because these two are in some kind of relation. Here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. This means this a square minus b square a minus b into a plus b. Okay, here if I send this term to that side, so sec theta plus tan theta is what? Is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so here tan theta plus sec theta, that is sec theta plus tan theta, is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So I can write which is equal to directly 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So this is the answer. So we have shown that this is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, we'll do next problem. The next problem is prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. This is the question. Okay, so the solution is, here you can take this cosec in terms of sin. So that means cosec A is what? 1 by sin A minus here also sin A. Here sec A is what? 1 by cos A. Here also cos A. So it in turn indicates what? 1 by sin A means 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A. Here 1 minus cos 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. Okay, here 1 minus sin square A is what? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. How we have relation like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And next one is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And next relationship is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So here this 1 minus sin square A means what? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So here I can write as cos square A divided by sin A into here 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta. So here sin square A divided by cos A. So here I can cancel these terms. Here cos A, here square means 2 cos. That means cos A into cos A. I'm cancelling 1 cos A. So I'll remaining with 1 cos A here. Here also I'll cancel sin A. Here also I'm remaining with 1 sin A. That means what I got is here cos A into sin A. I got this one. If you observe, there is nothing in the denominator means there is 1 in the denominator, not 0. Okay, here so I can write cos A into sin A. This one I replace with this equation, that is 1 here 1 is replaced by sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I replace here and I'm writing as sin square A plus cos square A. I hope you understand. Next, which is equal to what? This cos A sin A I'll send to denominator. So how we can send without any modification? Here 1 by sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin A cos A. If you write like this, there is nothing in change, because if it goes numerator, this sin A and cos A will go up, so it will be same as this. Okay, which is equal to what? Here sin square A by here, that what does it mean? Sin square A means sin A into sin A. Sin A into sin A, here in the denominator sin A cos A. I think if I break, it will be simpler for you. Here sin square A means what? Sin A into sin A divided by, here denominator is what? Sin A into cos A plus here cos square A, that is cos A into cos A divided by here sin A into cos A. So here sin A get cancelled, here cos A get cancelled. So what you remaining with? You remaining with 1 by sin A by cos A. What is sin A by cos A? That is tan A, we know. So tan A plus here what you remaining with? Cos A and sin A. Cos A by sin A is what? That is cot A. That is cot A. So this is the answer. We have proved this is equal to this. Okay, we'll see next problem. Okay, the next question is, we need to prove that 1 plus sec A by sec A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Okay, this is the question. How we prove this? Here 1 plus sec A by sec A. If you break it, what you will get? 1 by sec A. You will get 1 by sec A plus 1, which is equal to what? 1 by sec A is cos A, we know. So which is equal to cos A plus 1. This is we have. If you observe this equation, sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Here what we have? Here nothing is there in denominator, that is 1. So if we want to get this 1 minus cos A, so what I am doing here is I will multiply this equation with 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A, so that I can get 1 minus cos A in the denominator. So which is equal to what? Here in the denominator I got 1 minus cos A. What is in the numerator? Here cos A plus 1 into 1 minus cos A, that is 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A, that is A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. That is equal to what? A square here is 1 square. 1 square minus B square here is what? Cos square. So cos square A. Okay, I think you remember. Here you can see 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square A is what? Sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So this is the answer. We'll do next problem. The next question is, show that 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 plus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. So this we need to show that. That means this is equal to this is equal to this. So what we do here is, we will take these two terms, we'll take this term and show which is equal to tan square A. We'll take in next step, we'll take this term and show this is equal to tan square A. So in first part of this question, we'll take this term, that is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. We'll take this term. So here 1, I'm writing numerator as is 1 plus tan square, sorry, not theta, it is A, divided by here 1 plus this cot, what I can written? Cot square A can be written as 1 by tan square A. So I can written as 1 by tan square A, which is equal to what? 1 plus tan square A in the numerator as it is, divided by here denominator is what? Tan square A. If you multiply this, what you will get? Tan square A plus 1 divided by tan square A. So what does it mean? You can write 1 plus tan square A into, if you multiply this, that means this denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator here. So that means here tan square A divided by, here what? Tan square A plus 1, that means we can write it as 1 plus tan square A. So here 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A gets cancelled. You will remaining with tan square A. This is the first answer. So we'll take next step, that is 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. We need to show that tan square A. So if you observe here, whole square is there, here whole square is there. So we can think to prove that 1 plus tan A by 1 minus cot A can be equal to tan A. So here what we can do is we break this tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So what you will get is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A divided by 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. I hope you understand this. That is, sin A by cos A is tan A. Cot A means cos A by sin A is cot A. So here square is there. So here also I put the square. Okay. Here if I multiply this, what you will get? Cos A plus sin A. So cos A plus sin A divided by here cos A whole divided by here you will get what? Sin A minus cos A divided by sin A. Sorry, I wrote this question wrongly. Here note it, here not 1 minus cot A, here 1 plus cot A. So 1 plus cot A. That means what? Here 1 plus cot A, here also 1 plus cos A by sin A, here also sin A plus cos A. So whole square. Okay. If you observe here numerator and here numerator. So we'll write one more step here. So if we take flower bracket, square bracket, what you will get here is cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into, I want to write in multiplication, so this denominator term will reverse, that is sin A divided by sin A plus cos A whole square. So here cos A plus sin A, here also cos A plus sin A, so you can cancel it out. So what you're remaining with? Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A is what? Tan A. So it is equal to tan A whole square, which is equal to what? Tan square A. Tan square A. I hope you understand. You note it down. This is 1 plus cot A. Okay. We'll see next problem. Okay. The next question is, prove that sec A minus 1 by sec A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So here if you observe, here 1 is there, here cos A is there, here 1 is there, here cos A is there. So that you can write this sec A in terms of 1 by cos A. So here 1 by cos A minus 1 divided by 1 by cos A plus 1. So if you multiply, what you will get? 1 minus cos A divided by cos A in the numerator. In the denominator, 1 plus cos A divided by cos A. So here in the denominator cos A, here also denominator cos A get cancelled. You will remaining with 1 minus cos A in the numerator, 1 plus cos A in the denominator. This is the answer. I hope you understand these problems. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.